your instructional workout video for each machine is to have a script. So in Google Classroom, what I've done, if you go to classwork here and you see under part 8 workout instructional videos, you'll see this, create your own instructional voiceover using AI. I'm going to be creating all the different scripts and dropping them into here for the bicep and tricep machine, the shoulder machine, and so on. So for example, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the script, go like this, select the entire thing, just click and drag to select it. You can right click and copy it. And then right here, I added a little link. You're going to go to that link, and when you go to it, it's going to look like this. All you have to do is paste your script into here. At the bottom on the left-hand side, you can choose the voice that you would like to use. There are all different sorts of voices, male, female, robots, everybody's in here. You select it.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy.
Okay, you listen to it. If you like it, you click it. And then all you have to do is hit generate speech. And once you generate speech, it'll take about a minute or two. It's going to generate the entire script read by an AI voice, and then it'll give you the ability to download that piece. An example of it, I downloaded here already.
Welcome to the Westbury Fitness Center. The bicep and tricep machine is an essential piece in your workout routine.
Okay, so once you have that, you're going to download that piece, and you'll be able to use that as the sound underneath your video, and then you can time out all of your clips based on what is said and when it is said in the script.